So the iPhone 10 or the iPhoneX, whatever it is that you want to call it, is gonna be discontinued by the mid of 2018. But why? Not so long ago, Apple's KGI security analyst Ming-chi Kuo said this, that the Apple iPhone products that are going to be launched in the next year, that is 2018, might hurt the new versions of the iPhone X that are going to come out next year. Now, there has been a lot of speculations about this huge step that Apple is expected to take around 2018. But is it that really the reason, or does the iPhone X just isn't cutting it? Apart from having some really cool features such as the face detection and the better camera, as well as the augmented reality feature, but all of that comes at a price, and the price is just little over $1,000. Since the phone has been launched, there has been mixed reactions regarding it. Some people like it and some don't. And apart from the statement that Kuo put out a couple of months back, over the last few years, Android phones have started becoming better and started capturing the market which once Apple held, and that too at a much cheaper rate. Recently, the market has been flooded with phones which can do the same stuff as any version of iPhone can, including the iPhone 10. There has been Face ID, there has been fingerprint scanning, everything. The Android phones can do pretty much everything that an iPhone can.
Android phones are getting good. The competition that exists is driving the price of better down.
The DJI app crashed, and there's no way for me to crash this app to get back to the home screen because there's no home screen button. So nothing I do can get it. I can lock the phone and then unlock the phone and Face ID it open, okay, and then we're back here. Now, if this were the old iPhone, I could just double tap, but no, I'm completely.
Now, countries like huge population have always been on the most targeted countries for product distribution because that's how you sell your product, right? In this case, India and China, two of the most highly populated countries, are always on the list. And a reason why iPhone X is not doing so well is because the sales in these two countries are not as high as Apple expected them to be.
With the holiday buying binge behind us, it looks like Apple is going to cut production of the Halo phone due to softer than expected demand in the US, Europe, and China.
So there you have it. Those are my opinions on the new iPhone 10. Let me know in the comment section down below what are your opinions on the same.